From Dave Pilkey, the creator of Captain Underpants, Dogman is back. Part dog, part man, and all hero. Join the canine crime biter as he picks a bone with a terrifying T-Rex, sniffs out a stranger with mysterious mind powers, and once again faces his ferocious feline foe, Petey, the world's most evil cat. Can the heroic hound save the city in time? Find out in Dogman Unleashed. You'll howl with laughter.